They asked me how to do it at like 4 in the afternoon. I'm like,
Going through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure.
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
The human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, he's a kid! Sweet monster in disguise!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I want you to help me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 or 0. Take area. Get with it. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down there. This is the girl we're looking for. No humans back here.
Why? They're working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley. Hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
You done your door?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snow Dog? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded swiftly in progress.
Make sure to get my good side. You little thickens.
Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter.
Hey, move it along. This is a no parking zone.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded swiftly.
Hello, human.
What you little